Now in question number 8, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in country like India it is measured in Celsius. Here is two different scales for the measurement of temperature, that is Fahrenheit and Celsius. And here a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, and a linear equation is given, that is F equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Draw the graph of linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis, that is we have to use the x variable for C, that is Celsius, and Fahrenheit for y-axis, that is in place of F we use the variable y. And firstly we have to draw the graph. So first we make a linear equation on this formula. Here in question number 8, F equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now we have already given that the temperature in Celsius is written by x-axis, so let Celsius is given by x and let Fahrenheit is given by y. Therefore linear equation F equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32 equal F is y, which is equals to 9 by 5x plus 32. Now plus 32 changes to minus 32, which is equals to 9 by 5 into x. Now by cross multiplying we get 5 into y minus 32 equals to 9x. Now 5y is 160. We multiply these numbers, which is equals to 9x. Now 9x, here 5y changes to minus 5y is minus 160. This is the linear equation which is represented by first equation. Now we have to draw the graph. For this first we make a solution table. To draw this, first we make a solution table of this equation. For solution table we use different values of x and find the different values of y. For this we make a solution table and we use different values of x and y. Firstly I put the value of x is 0. Now putting x equals to 0, we get 9 into 0 minus 5y, which is equals to minus 160, that is minus 5y. Minus and minus are cancel out, 160 divided by 5, which is equals to 32. Therefore when x 0, then y is 32. Again we use another value of x. This is when x equals to 0. Now we use different value of x, that is when x equals to 5. When x is 5 you can put any value, 2, 3, 4, 5, any value. When x is 5 we get 160 equals to 9 into 5 minus 5y, which is equals to 160, which is equal to 9 5s are 45 minus 5y. Now 160 45 changes to minus 45, which is equals to 5y, and by adding this we get 205, which is equals to minus 5y. 5 and 5 are cancel out, and 205 is divided by 5, which is equals to 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Then y equals to 41. Similarly we use another value. We can use any value of negative sign or any positive sign. Here I used when x equals to minus 5. Then 160 equals to 9 into minus 5, then minus 5, which is minus 160 minus 45, 9 5s are 45, plus minus minus, and here minus 45 changes to plus 45, then minus 160 plus 45 equals to minus 5. Now by subtracting this number we get minus 115 is minus 5y. Minus or minus cancel out, and when 115 is divided by 5, then we get 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. When x is minus 5, then y is 23. And this is the solution table. Now we make a graph on this table. For this, firstly we make the axis by using a suitable scale. And mark the points with the help of scale to measuring the units. This point is origin. Now here the solution table is 0, 32, 5, 41. The maximum value is of 41. So I use the difference of 10 units, that is scale of 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Similarly on this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is x positive, this is y positive, x negative, and this is y negative. Here minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, and minus 50. Now here again minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, and minus 50. This point is origin. Now the first value is when x 0, then y is 32. When x 0, then y is 32. Here is 30, and there are 10 small divisions between these on the graph paper. So we use the first division is 31, next division is 32. Now when x is 5, then y is 41. X is 5. 5 is between 0 and 10, that is midpoint. Then y is 41. Here it is 40, and the next division is 41. Next point is when x is minus 5. Minus 5 is between 0 and minus 10. Midpoint is minus 5. Then y is 23. 23 is here 20. The third division is 23. Now we join these points with the help of scale to show a linear equation. This point is when x 0 and y 32. This is when x 5, y 41. This is when x minus 5 and y 23. And the linear equation is represented is 9x minus 5y equal minus 160. Now we have to write the scale on this graph. So I take the difference of 10 units. So scale along x and y axis is again between 0 and 10. On the graph paper there are small 10 division. Therefore small 10 divisions equals to 10 units, and one small division equals to 10 by 10, which is equals to 1 unit. So here the one division is of 1 unit. So I said that on the second division after the 30, there is the second division is 32, because the first division is 31 and next division is 32. Now in the second part of this question, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and we have a linear equation, that is 9x minus 5y equal minus 160. Now it is given that when temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, in Celsius temperature is represented by x. Therefore when x equals to 30 degree, that is 30. Now we put the value x is 30 minus 5y equal minus 160. 9 3s are 27, that is 270, minus 5y equal minus 160. Then plus 270 changes to minus 270, which is equals to minus 5y and minus 430. Minus and minus are cancel out. Therefore 5 in multiply goes to divide. 5 8s are 40, 5 6 are 30. Then y equals to 86. Therefore now we have to write what is the temperature in Fahrenheit, and Fahrenheit is represented by y. Therefore the degree Fahrenheit is represented by 86 degree. Now in third part, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? That is when y is 95. Then when y is 95, we have to find the value of x. Now again put this value in equation, that is 9x minus 5y equal minus 160. 9x as it is 5 into 95, which is minus 160, and 9x is now 5 into 95 is 475 minus 160 minus 9x equals to, now it changes to plus 475, then 9x equals to, by subtracting this number we get 315, and x equals to 315 by 9, and it is divided by this number, and which is equals to 35. Now x equals to 35, and we have to write the temperature in Celsius, therefore degree Celsius equals to 35 degree Celsius. Now in the fourth part, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, Celsius is therefore x equals to 0. Now we have to find the value. 9x minus 5y equal minus 160. X is 0, which is minus 5y is 160. Minus 5y equals to minus 160. Then y equals to 32. Therefore degree Fahrenheit equals to 32 when x equals to 0. Now in this part, another part is given when the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, that is when y equals to 0. When y 0, then 9x minus 5 into 0 is minus 160. Therefore 9x equal minus 160. Therefore x equal minus 160 by 9, and when it is divided, then it is equals to 17.8. Then x equals to minus 17.8. Therefore degree Celsius equals to minus 17.8 degree Celsius. In the fifth part is given that is there a temperature which is numerical same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, that is when both values are same, that is when x and y are same, that is x and y are equal. Now in this equation 9x minus 5y equal minus 160, we use this value, that is x, and in place of y we use again x, which is minus 160. 9x minus 5x equals to 4x minus 160. X equals to 160 by 4, which is equals to minus 40. That is x equals to minus 40. Here we use the value x and y are equal. Therefore, the temperature when degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit are same is 40 minus 40 degree. This is the temperature when both scale shows the same temperature, that is the scale on degree Celsius and scale of Fahrenheit.